going to the grocery store to attempt to buy dire resources, so wish us luck. And it's all because of this coronavirus.
Now for any zombies, they would freeze.
It could be a zombie outbreak though.
Well, I mean, you gotta think, since the blood's not pumping, they would freeze like crazy.
Fruits and produce. Orange juice. Everybody needs to get orange juice. Running out of Pillsbury stuff. Could always eat some pig ears. More empty shelves. They have Gavin's favorite Hawaiian punch. Alright. That's a win for us.
The actual Campbell's spaghetti.
This stuff right here? Okay. There you go. Yes, Gavin needs cereal. I'm good on cereal. I've got Honey Bunches of Oats.
You can see.
Yeah, same thing as Reese's Puffs, pretty much. Whoa, what happened to all the flour? Oh my god, my husband's leaving me. He's so far, I'm so far behind him. More empty aisles. Man, Gavin's gonna be so happy we found him Hawaiian punch at least. For towels. Here's the infamous aisle of missing toilet paper. Of course, there's paper towels. Which it doesn't make any sense, but there's like no toilet paper. That's so weird. I'm not seeing any toilet paper. Oh wait, is that toilet paper? That's the cheap stuff then.
Yeah, that's toilet paper.
They packed it so fast, they packed it upside down.
12 peanuts frozen.
Interesting to note that people are after Hot Pockets. I think it's starting to make sense. People buying Hot Pockets because of the coronavirus, and then they immediately have to turn around and buy toilet paper because they ate Hot Pockets. I think it's all starting to come together and make sense. Going to the car wash. Going to the car wash, baby. Going to the car wash.
Citrus X or Power. I'll get Citrus X.
I want Lime Wrecker.
It's not sugar free.
That's okay. Is it okay if I drink a sugar-free Lime Wrecker this one time? We made it. We made it out of Pick and Save. I got into home because I feel like we opted to keep him out of the public right now because school's out for 3 full weeks. And he's been sick already with like strep or upper respiratory problems. And I didn't feel like it was a good idea to get him out. So that's why we're doing all our running around, doing our errands. Gavin's not with us, so he's with his Aunt Rita. And Aunt Heather Bailey. So we can get this stuff done and hopefully not expose him to any coronavirus. We're trying to stay away from the coronavirus.
How's it going, Mr. Jones?
Oh my god! Hey, you're on my vlog right now.
Am I? Vlog.
Hey, I voted for you.
Good.
So, did you win?
Well, I'm in a runoff, so
Oh.
I got another vote. I need everybody to go back out again.
When's the runoff?
Well, it's supposed to be the 31st, but they're looking at postponing it because of the whole virus and everything. So
Yeah.
we'll have to see
Wow.
what it's going to be.
Well-
Y'all aren't going to buy toilet paper, are you?
No. Mr. Jones, that was our science teacher. He's running for superintendent now. How awesome is that? We got to run into him and see him. Let's just hope Mr. Jones wins. Vote for Mr. Jones, superintendent. Sam and Xander, and I thought Xander was his wife.
What's up, fellas?
I thought you were his wife.
We walked up, so that's not.
From the back, you have a man bun.
It's not a man bun. It's just a short ponytail. It's just shorter. See?
You look so much like your mom.
They lied. They
Even
don't have
with
any
the
TP.
long hair.
They don't. Nope.
We saw some people we knew today, which is kind of cool. And we got our stuff that we needed to get today. God, my hair's all screwed up. Anyway. We got everything we needed today for the most part. And we're...
Still no bread.
Well, except for bread. We forgot that.
Yeah, forget that. There was none.
Okay, there was no bread. We're inside Pizza Hut, waiting for our pizza to get done. I'm super, super hungry, if anybody hasn't been able to tell yet. I'm really hungry. We're on our way home. The car smells of pizza.
It's odorific.
It's odorific? I've never heard it put that way before, but yeah, I guess it's odorific. We're on our way home, Gavin, with pizza. Pizza.
Makes no sense whatsoever. It's not meant to make any sense.
What's the funny joke that makes no sense?
I come from a town so small, even the prostitutes wore helmets.
See, that makes absolutely no sense.
Yeah. I got from a Mad magazine. I believe it's Mad, either Mad or Crack magazine years ago, back 18 plus years ago.